Welcome to Museum 101. In this video series, we answer questions we've received from teachers, students, and visitors. A question we are often asked at the BMA is, what is the process for making an exhibition? So today, we are going to give you a behind-the-scenes look at the making of our exhibition, Expanding Darshan, Manjari Sharma, to See and Be Seen. But first, what is an exhibition? In an art museum, an exhibition is a temporary public showing of a selection of art, artifacts, or really any other items that people may find interesting. The items selected for an exhibition are often united by a theme, and there are limitless possibilities for themes. A theme can be artworks all made by one specific artist, or works inspired by game-changing moments in history, or maybe even works from across time and the globe depicting frogs. One of my favorite ideas is to create an algorithm that could randomly select works to go in an exhibition. The theme for Expanding Darshan, the exhibition we are focusing on for this video, is historical and contemporary art depicting the gods of Hinduism. Hinduism is a major world religion originating in India. So, what is the process of making an exhibition? There are 4 main stages of making an exhibition. 1. Idea for a theme and researching. 2. Planning and preparing. 3. Installation. And 4. Engagement. Stage 1. Idea for a theme and researching. For some exhibitions, this idea and research phase may take around 6 months, while for others, this phase can take several years. So what theme did our curator of Asian art come up with for Expanding Darshan? The curator wanted to unite different works depicting Hindu deities in our collection that are not usually shown together. They also wanted to connect the photographs by contemporary artist Manjari Sharma to the historical works in our collection that depict the same Hindu deities. Stage 2. Planning and preparing. Once the theme and the research is in a good place, it's time for the exhibition team to meet and get to work planning the exhibition. This phase can last a year or more. The first step in this phase is for the curator to share their theme and checklist. A checklist is a list of all of the works that will be included in the exhibition. Now, I mentioned an exhibition team. Who was the exhibition team, you ask? Well, the exhibition team for Expanding Darshan includes the curator who thought of the theme and researched the artworks, the registration team who manages the preservation of the collection as well as logistics, exhibition designer who works on designing the gallery the works will be exhibited in, the prep team who handle art and will install the works in the gallery space, the learning and engagement team who works on the different methods to connect the exhibition to the community, the advancement team who will raise money for the exhibition, the marketing team to promote the exhibition, and even the museum store manager who will decide on all of the fun goodies people can buy as keepsakes. The exhibition team meets to discuss what the goals of the exhibition are. For example, what we hope our visitors gain from coming to see it, or what will be the timeline to bring everything together and display it to the public. For Expanding Darshan, the goals were for visitors to see that there are certain themes in culture and beliefs that continue to be important to people for thousands of years, to learn more about the contemporary artist Manjari Sharma and her process for taking photographs, and to understand the profound impact India had in other regions of Asia and the world. There is a lot to do during the planning stage, like interpreting art. Interpretation is how museums communicate themes and ideas to their audiences. It's a thoughtful and intentional approach to how visitors will experience the exhibition. This includes text panels that reveal the themes of the exhibition, labels identifying and discussing specific objects, as well as our Smart Guide, which is our digital guide to the galleries. We also have touch interactives, family guides, and other engaging activities. Connecting to the community. The Learning and Engagement team is tasked with brainstorming all the ways the exhibition can relate and connect to the community. This includes public programs like lectures, family festivals, related art activities in our kids' spaces, lesson plans for schools, and more. Designing the exhibition. The Design and Technology Department and the curator discuss the exhibition layout and design choices. A mock-up of the exhibition is made using design software called SketchUp. When designing the galleries, you want to make sure that the art takes center stage, that the theme is clear, and that the gallery is accessible to all visitors of varying abilities. Fundraising. The BMA's advancement team works really hard to raise money for exhibitions to make sure that the majority of our exhibitions are free to the public. Preparing the art. The prep team is busy preparing the objects for the gallery. Does something need to be framed? Should there be a case over the object? Does a fragile work need a specially made mount? Speaking of the prep team, the next stage of an exhibition is Stage 3, Installation. When the design is done, the prep team goes in and installs the art. They reference the SketchUp model of the gallery to ensure all of the art, labels, panels, activities are all placed in the correct spot. Then they have to adjust the lighting in the gallery. Installation takes a lot of skill and knowledge on how to handle art, make mounts, secure art, but it is also one of the coolest jobs in the BMA. Check out these action shots. Stage 4, Engagement. Once the exhibition is installed and open to the public, it's time for the Learning and Engagement team to activate the exhibition with programs, activities, tours, talks, and more. An example of that is our Holy Festival that saw around 5,000 people, or our new Enchromaglass tours of the exhibition where, using special glasses, people with color blindness can see color for the first time in the exhibition. We also start reaching out to schools to book tours of the exhibition, visit classrooms. We also had an exhibition lesson plan created by the artist herself, Manjari Sharma, for our educational website, Culture Bridge, e-learning across Asia. Expanding Darshan, Manjari Sharma to See and Be Seen was a huge success, and we are so happy to share this process with you. For the BMA, putting together an exhibition is often a complicated process, but it all starts with an idea and a love to share art and culture with our community. So come visit the BMA and see what new exhibitions we have in store for you.